welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a salon, basically how they blow out your hair in the salon. You know, it's like all voluptuous and you're like, it's going to be really easy. It's not as complicated as people may think that it is. But before I go ahead and do that, I'm going to go ahead and go take a shower and I'm going to wash my hair because my hair is like 30,000 days old. Oops. And it's definitely time for me to wash it. So I'll be right back. So I'm out of the shower now. I washed my hair, shampooed it, conditioned it, all of that. Now I'm going to do a voiceover of instructing you guys on what I'm doing because I just simply don't feel like talking while I'm doing it because you're not going to hear me anyways, and I don't want to keep pausing and stopping with the loud noise of the blow dryer, and then I just gotta talk and like it's too much. So let's just get started. So guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you want to get notifications for every time that I post, go ahead and click that bell. Don't forget to like the video, and of course don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one.